Hello guys, by watching this video you can easily create real video from picture. Through this video I will show how can create real video from picture. See how many views this video are getting Facebook and YouTube. Let's go to the main website. This website names vdreels.com. vdreels.com more effect, image effect and control panel. There are difficult types of image effect. To have to download image copyright free background music and image from online. When you will move the picture like this, image or music, play this. Now we will be image effect, apply effect, customize this, speed up, zoom up, any kind of effect you. There are many options you can customize image effect. If you want, you can increase the real video division. You can increase video quality. You can convert to video. Your real video will be created in a few moments. Press the download MP4. Now ready your video. Thank you so much for watching the video.